understanding a notch above in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used English phrase, a notch above. This expression is often used in everyday English to describe something or someone that is slightly better or superior in quality compared to others. Let's dive in and understand its nuances and applications. The phrase, a notch above, has a literal origin. A notch is a small cut or indentation, often used as a marker. For example, in the past, notches were used on sticks to measure or keep count. So, saying something is a notch above means it's measured as higher or better than something else. Using a notch above in sentences is straightforward. It's often used to compare two things, where one is slightly better than the other. For instance, her performance was a notch above the rest, meaning her performance was slightly better than everyone else's. It's a handy phrase for making subtle comparisons. Let's look at some examples. 1. Quality. This brand of chocolate is a notch above its competitors. 2. Skill. As a violinist, he is a notch above his peers. 3. Difficulty. The final level of the game is a notch above the previous ones. In each case, the phrase highlights a small but significant difference in quality, skill, or difficulty. When using a notch above, it's crucial to remember it implies a small, not a huge, difference. Saying something like vastly superior would be an overstatement. It's also important to use it in contexts where comparison is appropriate. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, a notch above, confidently in your English conversations. It's a great tool for making nuanced comparisons. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.